Now that we've done our door seals, that's given enough time for our drip rail adhesive to dry, so we can remove this masking tape and then move on to our liftgate seal. The liftgate seal is completely glued on, so we'll pull that off, make sure we clean up any adhesive that's underneath it, get everything ready to apply the new adhesive. But one thing we'll do before that is we'll mark where these ends are. The ends are separate from the weather stripping. So we'll mark where these go, and then we'll trim the weather stripping to fit where the ends go. So this piece actually glues on to this plastic edge trim. So the basic process is the same, making sure that everything is as clean as possible before we apply the new adhesive. You want to try to clean off any of the large bits of weather stripping left over. Use something that's sharp but also not going to mar your plastic. So this weather strip that goes along the sides and the top, just like the original, has a core in it in this section right here, and that goes in your corner. And there's two of them. So those will be your corners and that'll be your center. So this rib right here goes to the outer edge, and you'll feel it kind of fall into place. You can see where we've marked where this one goes. So we'll install this and then do the weather stripping accordingly. And you can hold that there. If you let it get tacky beforehand, it should hold itself. If you want to also place a piece of masking tape on it to make sure it doesn't go anywhere, you can do that. Again, you want it to be tacky whenever you go to apply it. Where we're at, it is tacking up pretty quickly, so it's going to hold in place. But again, if you want to put a little piece of masking tape to make sure it doesn't move at all, that's good. So this weather stripping right here with this section is going to guide just like that end piece right into this groove on the side of this edge trim. First thing I'm going to do is locate the corner. By feeling this cord right here, you can feel the different density. So that's going to be your corner, and you'll see that we have enough material all the way down, and then perhaps a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch extra that we'll trim whenever we get to the end. But I'm going to glue my corner in first because I know that's where that's going to be. Now, if your van is anything like this one, this space between this edge trim and the weather stripping gets a little tight. So I'm just placing it as best as I can right in that corner. We might tuck that edge in here in a minute. So you take a little tuck tool that's non-marring. It's got a little blunt tip, and you can tuck that into that section between the edge trim and the metal.